Alright guys, welcome back to the sawmill. Let's go get in the truck and head across town and pick up some more metal. Hang in there, we got a lot going on today. Back up here at the sawmill, I'm going to grab the 574 and take down our boards. Dad's already here. He's down at the barn getting everything ready.
Out of nails.
I'm out of nails. Here we are, here in the valley, by the riverside. We have our peace, we have our freedom, if only for a time. And we will go onward apart when come the winter time. We know it well, the pain of a leaving, but this will raise the bar. And I will go with all I know to seek the sounds of our dreaming. And come what may, and come what will, then I'm home again. The setting sun into the island laid an ocean trail. We were there, out on the border, bathed in the golden light. Such a time we lived of wonder. Another cold now waits, and certain things are weighing our feathers, and so we fly away. And I will go with all I know, seeking sounds of our dreaming.
Today, we'll run across town and go pick up some more metal, come back up here and put it up. Of course you're gonna put it up. What we're gonna do with it? So let's jump in the truck that I'm not sponsored by the way, in case that guy's watching right now. So full disclosure, Duramax or Allison Transmissions do not sponsor me. That guy keeps on commenting thinking I'm sponsored by Chevy or something. I tell you, some people. Well, good morning. Let's jump in the truck here, friends, or run across town. Run across. We're gonna run across. That's a word too. We're gonna run across. What do you think? We're a bunch of hits over here. Can't even talk. The first thing I'm gonna do this morning is go. I'm gonna go. Go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go.
And come what may, and come